I come to realize in most of my video I use plugins that can be expensive and many of y'all don't have the budget to afford them. I've been there. The plugins I own, I get them progressively over the years, and also sometimes companies send them over to me for sponsored video. I enjoy having those fancy and expensive plugins in my collection. But in this video I'm going to show you that you can create and use standard sound and instrumental using only FL Studio stock plugin. So let's have some fun. I'm going to set my tempo at maybe 95, and first plugin is always gonna be Flex. FL Studio give Flex a major upgrade, and I think it's one of the best stock plugin in FL Studio 26. And let's go to library, go to core piano. Let me use one of those presets. Let's use the wood preset. We'll try to find a chord progression. Mm, mm. Okay, that's the base of our node. Boom. Okay, that's our chord progression. Pretty simple. Go down here and then add O, add X, we bring it down a little bit. Nice. And one thing to know when you're using stock plugin, you can always go and then edit the preset that you have. if you want, you can add some chorus, add some reverb, and you can see that the decay is not long enough. Let's make sure it's long for the last note. That's better. That's good. And now we're going to try to layer it with other instrument. Let's go to library. Let's go to Axon Cityscape. There is a preset that I remember using. Right. For this one, we're just going to add Q. We quantize it like. And let's customize it again. Maybe we add a little filter. Nice. I think that's good. Okay, now I think I want to add a bass, a synth bass maybe. One of the best plugin for bass is GMS. And you go here. Okay, let's try this. We just copy the low note on this one, Command C, and then we go to our bass plugin. And then you see, you have some high note, and then you can change this. Let's see if we can transport. That's too low. Okay, let's add a guitar. Because you know, Afrobeat with guitar always sound good. So go to library and then we go to Chord guitar, I think. Chord guitars. Okay, let's go with this one for now. Dun, dun, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Look at the dun, dun. Don't go take it there. Take it. Okay. Okay, something like that, but let's play with those a little bit. Make sure that it's not tight on time. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Okay, but one thing I wanna do with this one is like what it do a mixer track and then we add some crazy reverb on it. Let's use the fluty convolver and then we bring it down. That sound good. I love it. I think now I wanna start adding some drum and then after we complete the melody. I got this. I think that sounds good. Let's add some conga now. And then comment B, we duplicate this, we put it here, and then we add another one and we transpose one octave lower. Okay, let's say we add maybe a shaker. I wanna add this one. I think I will definitely add some hi-hat. Add some hi-hat. Maybe we'll transpose that lower. for the hi-hat, I think I can spend more time on it maybe later, but for now I wanna keep it simple so I can continue producing the beat and focus on the main element, which are gonna be the melodies. I think now we can add another bass. I see that Flex has a core bass. I think let's use this. Dun, 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 dun. We leave it empty. Boom. Oh, that sounds crazy. Let's see. That's crazy. Okay, with this one, I think I wanna add more reverb on it too. Let's say we use the fuzzy convolver again. I think we can definitely create another flute melody, because this one sounds good, but I think we can definitely create something that sounds better. Oh, that's a vibe. Okay, I think now I want something for the verse. Let's say we use maybe Sakura, and there's a preset I used to use in Sakura, which is a keyboard. I think what is this one? I think, yeah, this one sounds crazy. You just copy the corporation and you pass it here. That's a vibe. I love it. I really love it. I should add the God particle on my FL template. So and now the last thing is gonna be something for the chorus. Let's say we go with flex, and then let's go to Axon City. Axon City. Axon Cityscape. That's the name. And let's use this preset. We copy this incorporation, we just pass it. That's it, guys. You can see how easy it is to create crazy vibe with FL Studio stock plugin. I really love this vibe. Simple, leave a lot of space for the artist, and it's a gem. It's a crazy vibe. Yeah. Now let me let you enjoy it. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video help you get better at creating beat. If you don't have crazy plugin, you can always use the stock plugin FL Studio comes with. So yeah, if you have question, leave a comment down below. Also, go follow me on Instagram, TikTok at Sammy Beats, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.